Hey guys, welcome back to Burning with B. I'm so excited to bring you guys back into my kitchen. Tonight we're going to make kooky Halloween cookies, slimy Halloween drinks, and spinach mushroom lasagna, which is delicious. And most of the stuff came from my garden, per usual. And also I will download or upload the descriptions or the recipes into the description. Sorry guys, don't mind me, just getting it together. So I will post the recipes that I used or borrowed from Pinterest onto the description. That way you can have a base, but no, I always add myself into there, and I'm really excited to be back. Again, watch the whole video, like and subscribe. Let's get down.